Hi everyone, today we're gonna take care of these two mints. So I have one this here and the other one is here. So mints are very invasive. Actually also those two we put out 10 years ago, and this year, the first year, they come out again. So basically we're gonna go step by step. First I'm gonna still cut the leaves. They are still okay for the tea. We are a bit too late, but still we're gonna pick them, the nicest one. Otherwise you have to pick mint for tea right before it blooms. I am a bit too late, but still it smells so nice. So I'm all of the nice leaves still, because afterwards we're gonna cut them, and one we're gonna actually put out here from the earth, and we're gonna replant one half for indoor and half I'm gonna put in a plastic pot and back in the garden. This one is gonna stay in, but the other one we're gonna put out. The other one is too much on the sun, practically all the leaves are burned, but we're gonna dry this and we're gonna have a few cups of tea. Now we're gonna cut both of the mints, and I'm gonna cut it all the way down to here. So we cut it like this, and the leaves will grow again. I'm gonna put all this away, and I'm cutting the other one as well. So I cut all this away, and this one we're gonna put out and replant half of it in a pot for indoor and one plastic pot for the garden. So all of this goes out. I just want to show you here, if the mint wouldn't be blooming yet and we want some fresh mint for our drink, we should cut it here and use the upper part, and then leave this, and here the mint will grow nicely further on. So this one we're gonna leave here, and the leaves will grow again. I even leave this part, and this one half. So this half we're gonna put in this pot for indoor. First we're just gonna put some earth. So first I put this earth from the garden. Now I'm adding a bit of more quality earth. Now we're gonna make a hole in between, and we're gonna put it out. And here, guys, it's a little ladybug. Oh wow. Oh wow. So I put her out. So we're gonna do a big hole and put the mint in. Like this. And now we're just putting some more earth here and here. So this is now perfect. I'm just gonna cut it a bit more because this is for indoor. I'm gonna put art a bit like this. This is quite big for indoor, but we'll see what will happen. Or maybe I'm just gonna have it on the terrace. I'm cutting all of this. We're gonna pick all of this because, as I said, the mint really spread itself. And I'm just putting a few of this in. And now we're gonna water it. And we're gonna nicely water it. So this is perfect. So we have mint for our indoor or maybe for a terrace or balcony. And now we're gonna go on our other half, which we're gonna put in this plastic pot. I'm just putting some earth first in. Not much because the roots are really big. So we're gently gonna put it in. We're gonna add some more earth. And I'm gonna put this plastic pot with this mint here at the end of the garden, where it's not gonna be in the way of anything, because as I say, really mint can spread over the whole garden. So be really careful when you plant it. You don't want that it take over the whole garden, because as I said, this one is from 10 years ago. We put it all out, but it came out again. So we're making a nice hole here. And here practically it doesn't matter if it's gonna spread a bit, because here everything is weed mostly, and I'm weeding all the time here. So we're gonna put all this earth back. I'm just gonna put all of this weed out, and now we can put all this earth back. So now this is perfect. I'm just gonna add a bit more water and earth, and it's gonna be perfect. And we're just gonna make sure that there that we put this mint out, everything we put away from the earth and the leaves and all these roots that stayed, you see. And I'm putting all these leaves away as well. So now here we practically put it away. Perfect. So we finished for today. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Have a lovely day. Ciao.